If this is a sound that's way too familiar to you, then you may want to consider a very cool plugin by Klevgrand called Brusfri. It's a noise reduction tool for iOS. So in this video, we're going to take a look. Let's go. That is better. Now, we did have the compressor up quite high here, so I'm going to admit that I did sort of accentuate that, but I'm sure if you have used a headset mic or your built-in mic or some other audio source that's got less than perfect noise floor, you've probably heard this sound before. So what I'm going to show you is how we can record a vocal here using just my headset mic, and then we're going to apply Brusfri to that sound and see what it can do as far as noise reduction goes. So let's stop talking and start singing. I'm going to hit record and record in the vocal of this track. This is my new song called Player, and I'm going to record a vocal using just the headset mic that's on my headphones here. Let's do that now. It's not a matter of opinion. It's not a case of right or wrong. You chose to speak your mind. Now you can do your time. Make them bow while you hurt people. So there we go, there is my vocal recording. Let's just take a quick listen to this in the mix. It's not a matter of opinion. It's not a... And yeah, I probably had the input gain up too high there. You can see my audio is a bit clippy, but it's going to work for this demonstration. It's all good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to solo these lead vocals. Now, the first thing I want to do is come over here. Let's just listen to the background noise before I start singing. Let's hit play. So what have I got there? Well, I've got some bus noise in the background. I've got me breathing. I've got the audio coming through my headphones, the bleed there, and the room sound. So let's see what Brusfri can do with this sound. So to use this, what we're going to do is tap on the mixer icon here. We're going to go to Plugins and EQ. We're going to tap Edit, and then we're going to tap in here to add in, and there's green plus. We're going to go Audio Unit Extensions, and we're going to tap on Brusfri by Klevgrand. Now, if we tap on the icon here for the plugin, here it is. Now, it's a very simple plugin in that all we really need to do is hit this listen button or this learn button, the ear there, and then play back some audio where there is no actual sound, so just the background noise. It will then take a sample of that and then build a noise profile and then try and remove that noise from the rest of the clip. So let's do this now. I'm going to hit play and hold down this ear for just about a second, just so that it knows what sort of noise we're dealing with. Okay, and I've released it, and instantly that noise has reduced. It's not a matter of opinion. And there is just my vocal. So let's come back out here. So we've now got Brusfri enabled on this. If we come back here and now let's play this, it is way quieter. If you don't believe me, let's come back here, go to Plugins and EQ. It's not a matter. And we'll start that section again. We'll go right back to the start here, and we'll listen to this lead in. And what I'll do is I'll turn it on and off, and you'll hear the difference it's going to make here. So this is with Brusfri off. There's our background noise. Let's turn it on. Listen to that. Off. There's that bus. On. You can just hear that in the background, and then listen. It's not a matter of opinion. So we can hear our vocals. Now, this is great for vocals. It's great for noisy guitars. It's great for spoken word in particular. If you just want a really clean audio for like the background of your videos, I've started using Brusfri for some of my video audio just to clean it up and just to make sure that you don't hear the buses going past and everything like that. But let's bring this back into the mix, because that's going to be the real test. If we bring it back in here, what we should have is a very clean sound with none of that background noise cutting through. So let's hit play. It's not a matter of opinion. It's not a case of right or wrong. And again, if we just solo in here, let's listen to this in-between part. You chose to speak your mind. Now So yeah, you can hear it a little bit there, but let's again just do the test. We'll take off Brusfri here. Whoops, we've tapped it. We'll take it off like this and let's play it. Now you can hear that background in there. Now, yes, this is doing some changes to frequency, so you're not going to get the absolute frequency response, because if we have a look, and I'm not going to go to detail here because there's a heap more that Brusfri can do, but you can see here we've got attack, threshold, and release over here on the left that we can adjust. So we've got plenty of manual adjustments if we want them, and then we've got an edge, a high pass filter, and a high over here that we can manually adjust those in. But if you don't want to play with any of that, just play that sample of sound, hold down the ear icon here, and you can sample and get a noise profile that will then go ahead and remove that from your track. So there you go, a very quick and simple demo, but I think you can already see how powerful this could be and how this could help you reduce the noise in your tracks, especially if you're in a room or an environment that is a bit noisy, or you're using gear like a headset microphone or the built-in mic. Now, this app is about $15 US, so it's not super cheap, but again, if you found value from this, maybe go and check it out, see if it's going to be for you. I hope you got some value out of this one. There's 2 more videos linked down below that you can check out. Subscribe to the channel by clicking or tapping on the Studio Live Today icon in the top right corner, and I'll see you on the next video.